Gold Bagel members, you get a whole bunch more. You pay more to be a Gold Bagel member, but you get more. You get a daily trading tip every day, which today has been behind getting out. You get a trade alert show before this show, and Wednesday nights, primetime live with Uncle Bruce. A small gathering of goldies come together every Wednesday and can ask me questions about their portfolios or the markets or positions or trading theory after the bell closes, 7 o'clock Eastern time. And it's a pretty good hour of sharing ideas and thoughts. And again, it's a benefit for Gold Bagel members to take advantage of. It costs you $25 a month to be a Gold Bagel member of this channel. The daily trade tips that we go over here, these can pay off thousands of dollars just on one trade. You're getting every day that I'm on the air, you're getting a trade tip. So if one of my trade tips benefits you, you'll more than get this back and tons more. Classes are available for you anytime you're ready. Come on over to my channel, to my website, stockmarketswithbruce.ca. Here it is right here. And if you pop in over there, you will join us. You'll find my homepage right here. You can then click the class section, which is right there. And then you can start looking at the classes. And you can take whichever classes you want, but I would recommend starting at number 1. There's 1, 2, there's 3, there's 4, and 5, and 6, and we cover it all. 7 and 8, we talk about poor man covered calls. We talk about credit spreads. We talk about the psychology of the markets. We talk about stink bids, stink offers, the 90-10 rule. We cover all kinds of stuff because you cannot possibly learn how to do options in a 15-minute course. Any of you out there who think that in 15 minutes, you can take a course by some of these so-called experts out there and be an expert in how to write options, you are sadly mistaken. This is as complicated in theory as perhaps becoming a lawyer or a doctor or a plumber or an electrician. This takes time. And the classes are designed at about 2 hours in length each one, to really give me a big overview of what the market is about and how options really work and why they exist in the first place and who really is into them and who isn't. And this gives you a real idea of just how the market functions.